Today our topic is going to see about how we are going to connect a database using JSP code. So our topic today is connecting database using JSP. So basically what is JSP? Uh, JSP stands for Java Java server page, which help us to create dynamic content for the web page. It helps us to get input from the user so that can be imported in the database. So what are we going to use, what database we are going to use is MS Access. MS Access needs some library to connect with the code, that is you can access, and the platform we are going to build this code is NetBeans. So we can move to the code now. So I have already made a template. I'm going to just brief it out for you. So the HTML tag is basically HTML tags. Whatever we write inside comes under HTML tags. This is the starting point and ending point. We have head, and slash head tags, and also body and slash body. What we want to give inside the what title we want to give, we can give it inside the head, and what all the content should be displayed, it can be given in the body. Okay, we are going to develop one form. So the syntax for form is input type text. Text stands for what type of input we are going to get. We are going to simply write, so that type is text, and we are assigning one variable for that input, so it is CSK. And similarly I am creating 9 fields, so it is for CSK, it is for DD, it is for MI, it is for RCB, it is for RR, it is for KKR, it is for KXP, it is for rising Pudavarius, it is for SOH, and at the end, when we give when we have done our thing, we have to submit it. So I am using here a submit button by writing input type is equal to submit, and if I want to clear all the data, I am giving another button called reset. The center syntax stands for I want to make all this form to align in a center, so I am giving all the content of the field inside the start and end of the center tag. Basically when you want to develop a form, this input type all and all should come under the form syntax. You will have similar like head, form, this is the start for the form, and this is the end for the form. So the input that we are giving in this form should access the JSP page, so you have to give like this: action is equal to auction.jsp. So this make the program to understood that the input that the user is giving should be passed to the auction.jsp code. So let us see the auction.jsp code now. So JSP, the basic syntax for JSP is angular braces, percentage, percentage, angular braces. What all the content that we write inside it comes under JSP code. Okay, what all the content we write inside it will come under JSP code. This is the basic syntax for JSP. So now the input that we are getting is in the form of integer, means then we have to use a line called integer.parseInt request.get parameter the variable name. Here the variable name that I declared in the form here is for CSK it is CSK, so I'm giving here CSK, like it for DD MIKK so on I giving it. So we have to create a statement called connection statement result set. Initially it all will be null. So this part is the main thing of a program. This class dot for name is the path where the database or the you can access it path. So net.youcanaccess.jdbc dot you can access driver, this will make the program to access you can access the jar file which I had already in my laptop, and this URL make us to connect to the database which is in the D colon which I created for this specific program where all the input gets stored. uh, Next, the con is equal to driver manager dot get connection that URL. This make us to understand go and fetch that URL and get connected to that database. So now we are creating a statement that will make us to insert the data in the database, that is st.execute update insert into table 1 the fields, then values, then the variable that we declared for the form. This will make us to insert the data into the database. Okay, now this if this try blocks work, then there is no need for catch block. Suppose if there is an error occur, the error will be cached by the catch block and the error will be printed. So this is the auction page, sorry, auction.jsp page. This is the auction code. Now when we deploy it, we could able to run it. So it is deploying now. Okay, I'm giving here 9 and another 5 and another one for 4, another one 6, another one 7, another one 2, another one 3 and 5. Now I click submit, all the data will be inserted in the database, and we can also see the result in the next page of it, which will show as a inserted button. Okay, see here it is showing as inserted. I can zoom it also. So you can see that inserted. This is an exception that arises due to someone SQL query. That is not important. Now I am going to show you how to insert int into the database. Now when I open the database which is in my D colon, I can see the values which I which I fed now. So it is table 1. I inserted in table 1. So here you can see. So 9 5 1 2 6 4 3 5 7. This is the value I gave now. So it is inserted. So it is working properly. This is what I want now. So this is the simplest program I can explain you for JSP connection using database. Thank you.